What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play games on itch.io. And what's really cool about it is that they have quite a lot of free games, and there are some free games that you can play on your computer, or you can do it directly within your browser. You can also play it on Linux as well, and even on Mac. So have a look at this one right here. You can play within your browser, you can play on the Windows, you can play on the Linux, and you can also play on the Mac OS. And we're going to go ahead and test, for example, a free game so that you can see how it plays. As you can see right here in the dashboard, if you look towards the left side, you can see prices and you can see free, on sale, paid, and so forth. So we're going to go to the option either for free, and you will see games here that you can play for free, or you can either play games, let's say you don't want to install on your computer, you can choose the option in browser, right? So for example, these ones that says in browser, you have a lot of them that you can really play for free. So I'm going to just choose, for example, this one right here. And once you click on it, you will see that you can run the game. It's going to run directly within the browser. And normally these games are used to either play by your mouse or you're using your keyboard to play with them. So for example, I choose this, press my mouse to jump over these spikes, jump over these spikes, jump over these spikes. Yeah, as you can see, I'm playing this game right now, just pressing my mouse to jump. I'm not a gamer, by the way, but you get the general idea, guys. So I'm gonna just allow myself. Oops, oops. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. So that's why you can easily go ahead and play games on itch.io.